Okay, very good afternoon here on the 13th of September 2018. Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference, and the Traders Open Day. You join me here with some positions we're running here on the dollar against the Swiss franc. We've currently been in this trade for 2 days now, and we are short the market. You can see that we are short the market just here on the dollar Swiss franc. We have short the market, and we are up $3,970 at this time on the Swiss position. We're looking to bank on this one, this position of $7,800. The reason for the trade, of course, is we're looking for primary failure here in the market. Of course, there are much criteria around the trade opportunity, but the premise of this entire system is that there will be interruptions in the market and we will see the trend persist. That's all it basically is in a nutshell. But of course, the parameters behind it have a level of complexity. Very simple to learn here in the Vedanta Elite Trading Room. However, we're looking for the price to continue progressing lower into today to hit our target of £7,800. Obviously, if it doesn't hit that $7,800, obviously if it doesn't hit the profit target, it's not too much of an issue. We'll bank out for a smaller profit. If we go over to the euro against the US dollar, we're also running a trade opportunity on the euro against US dollar on the swing profits trading system, again, which is looking for the trend to persist. So where you can see we're also up on that one, $458 at this time. We're looking for a profit target actually up here of approximately, let's have a look at what the profit target is at the moment. We're looking to go here for an additional 97 pips of profit, $1,918 at this time. So looking to bank around $10,000 over the next couple of days, and that's of course across two positions using a 15-minute a day trading strategy, using a $50,000 trading account. It's very possible you could do it too. It's just about knowing the risk management criteria. Let's take a look at the live trading room and live trade mentorship and live trade mentorship advanced trades. And here we are looking at the money bars trade that we had placed a couple of days back here on the 10th of September. Interestingly, on the 10th of September, we actually were taken out of a trade that we were in on money bars the first time around, which was actually around this PSW. And that PSW being this one just here. You can see we were stopped out of that as we had trailed our stop to the low of this bar. But then this set up another PSWB, and you can see transparently actually the loss that we took on the first PSWB, which was here, of £696.32. Now, interestingly, this is another PSWB that is set up, which we then also took as well, and that has covered this loss of £700 and has almost doubled it in running profit. We're looking to take a profit of £1,850 off of that trade in just 3 to 4 days. So we'll continue to monitor that along with the elite trades as well. Absolutely superb work all the way around by the team. We also had live trading evening yesterday evening as well. We called a trade there on BHP Billiton, and we were looking at a potential trade opportunity to go long the market. That one has actually now triggered, and it has created what we call a primary low. This actually now has a very strong probability of confirming the turning point and then proceeding to continue higher as well. So if the clients log in from the trade that they took yesterday, they'll see most likely that it has triggered. It will probably be running already, and they can see the orders and the floating position and the profit that they have actually currently taken. So that's pretty much it from this update at this time. You can see multiple positions running, all in a significant amount of profit. 15 minutes a day using end of day trading. Very simple techniques to use. We'll teach you the platforms and the techniques on the Traders Basecamp package. Look forward to speaking to everyone soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. Bye for now.